Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a close-up of Gigan's face. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with that big eye that he has. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then up like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and I'm going to kind of straighten it out a little bit, and then I'm going to curve it back up to a point. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve across, and then it's just going to kind of curve up back here. And then right over here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then I'm going to just kind of curve it back like this for that beak shape. Then I'm just going to kind of draw this line up and just kind of connect it to here. Now right here, he's got this big kind of spike that comes out. So I'm just going to start here and draw a line that's going to curve, and then I'm just going to curve this back right to here. And then over here, I'm going to do the same thing, just draw a line that's going to curve, and then I'm just going to curve it back to here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to connect right to there. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve right to there. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve up and down, kind of like a little sad face. And then I'm just going to draw a little small circle right there. Now, starting here, you want to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up to form the head. And then he's got this big spike that comes out. So I'm just going to draw a big spike that's just going to kind of curve down. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this back here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve to here. And then I'm going to start here and draw another one that's going to kind of curve down. And then I'm just going to add a couple more kind of big curves all the way to the bottom of my paper. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out, and then it's going to come back here for the mouth. And then I'm going to draw another line that's going to curve out. It's going to go down, and it's just going to come right to here. Then, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go right down here for the other side of the neck. Now, we have our basic shape of Gigan, and we just want to add some of the different details into here. So one of the things I want to add are some of the spikes back here. So he's going to have a spike that's going to come up and then down to here. And then he's going to have another one that does the same thing, goes up, and it's just going to come right down to here. I'm going to add a small little line right here, leave a little bit of space in there just to make it look like it's got some detail on it. I'm going to draw another little line right here, and then another broken one right there. Then I'm going to add a little line right here for the tongue. Going to add a little curved line here, and then another little curved line right there. And then I'm going to add a little line right here by the eye. Now, right here by the mouth, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go over, and that's just going to kind of curve down. And then he has all these little scales in here that I want to add. So I'm just going to add all of these little scales, and I'm just going to do this by making a bunch of U-shapes. Now when I make the next row, I'm going to start here and draw half of one, and then I'm just going to keep drawing these. And you can see that when I draw the next row, I just have them bounce from one to the next. You don't want to put them in between or else it's not going to look right. So you just go from one to the next. You're just going to jump to each one. And then right here at the bottom, just going to kind of add a few little lines. Just kind of finish it off. Then I'm going to add just a little curve line up here to kind of show where his face is. And then I'm just going to add a few little extra lines. He's got a lot of like wrinkles on his neck. Add a couple more little lines up here. A couple little broken lines right there where that spike is coming out. And I'm going to add an extra little line right here just to show a little more of that side of the face. Little line kind of curves up here. Then I'm going to add a little line right here. Add another little line or two over here. Another one underneath his chin. And there you go. There is your drawing of Gigan. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.